series loads. There are three: RS series connection, RC series connection, and RLC series connection. This is the circuit RS series connection. Okay. First of all, we need to connect the power quality meter with first and one, then and two, and three, and four, and neutral. Okay. Then connect the connection with resistor and for the second we need to connection. Then after all the connection is settled, we need to turn on the power. Okay. Turn on the switch firstly, then okay, we read the instruction first. Okay, connect the resistor load 750 ohm in series to the inductive load in style configuration and set the following inductors level 1.2 Henry, 2 Henry and 3.2 Henry in succession, one after the other. Switch on the variable transformer and set up a base voltage of U phase 230 volt. So first we need to turn on the switch and set up. Oh no! First we connect phase line to neutral. Okay. Okay. Then we set up it until it's 230 first after. Turn on the power switch module. After that, we set up the range, increase the voltage until 250. The variable ohmmeter it is current 750. Then we look at the display. We will get the answer for the each. Okay, after we get the result, we key in the answer in the bracket, then we check the answer. Correct, we will get the answer. Next, we need to repeat the experiment to check the difference for an inductance with 2 Henry and 3.2 Henry. Okay, like this, we change. Then we check the answer. Okay, we will get the correct. Okay, next the RC series connection with the same procedure. This is the RC series connection. Okay, same to be like before. We set up 230 volt with resistance capacitance 4 microfarad and 6 microfarad. Then after we get the measure it, all this we key in it inside the table. Okay, this is the connection of the resistance to the capacitors. On the LRT, when we start, we set up the range until it's 200. Okay. Okay, this is result what we get it with two microcapacitor F farad, 4 microfarad, 6 microfarad, and
6 microfarad.
6 microfarad.
Okay. So next.
Okay.
So next.
Next, we will connect the RLC series connection. Okay. The combination for resistor, inductor, and capacitors. This is the RLC series connection. Okay. The procedure, we need to know the installation. We connect the resistor load 750 ohm in series with the capacitive load 2 microfarad and this in series with the inductive load 1.2 Henry connected in self-configuration. Switch on the variable replace the supply and set a base voltage of 200 ampere. LC series connection. Connect the resistor, inductor, and capacitor. After we connect it, we need to switch on the power, and then we set up it until we get 230 volt. We measure it, then we put the answer in the table. Okay, with a different, we will see this different capacitor, inductor, and the same resistor 750. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Kamil Hasim Jafar. So today we connect So first we need to three-phase load connection in delta configuration. So they have three types: balance resistive load, balance inductive load, and balance capacity load. So this is the balance resistive load. Okay, so we need to instruction first. Connect the resistance in the delta configuration and set the resistance for value to 750 ohm. Switch on the variable three-phase power supply and set the base voltage to 230 volt. So this is the connection for balance resistive load. So this is the display for the data. So first we need to on the supply. Okay. Setting to L1 and neutral. So increase the voltage until 230 volt. Okay. So 230 volt. So we have the answer. we need to complete the table. Okay. So after the result, we need to complete the table. So this is the table. Okay. So check the answer and all correct. Alright. So next we connect the balance in the floor. So this is the connection. So we need to connect to this banner. So this is the banner. So we need to connect all. After we connect all, we need to instruction first. So compute the maximum line to line current. The phase to phase current is current max So I match there. So switch on the variable transformer and set the line to line current to 1 I1 to 1 ampere. So after we connect all, so this is the connection we on. So we change to line. So we to 400. So this. So connect to 1 ampere. After we connect to 1 ampere, so the result like this. So this is the result, and this the answer is correct. Next, capacity load. This balance capacity load. This is the circuit. So we connect all of this. So first we instruction first. Connect the capacity load to the in the start configuration. Set the capacitance to 2 microfarad. Switch on the 3-phase power supply and set the phase voltage to 230 volt. So first on the supply and 230 volt. This is the connection. After setting to 330 volt. Okay, so this is the result. So this is the result. So the result is correct. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Ali Fatih Rasli. I will explain to you about 3-phase load connected in star configuration. The 3-phase load connected in star configuration have 3 types of balance load, which is resistive load, inductive load, and capacitive load. So for this circuit is for the resistive balance resistive load. So for the instruction is connect the load of 750 ohm and set the voltage to 230 volt. So for the connection, from the breaker, for the supply to the meter, and next to the protection and resistor. Make sure the cable is connected correctly and the earth is connected also. So when we set the voltage to 230 volt, we check into the meter and next turn on the protection. So after all the setting have set, then we transfer the data to the table of 750 ohm, 500 ohm, and 200 ohm. Next, we will go to the inductive balance inductive load. So this is a circuit from the diagram and the instruction. We have to do the 1.2 Henry, 2 Henry and 3.2 Henry. Next we will turn on the variable 3-phase power supply and set it the voltage of 400 volt. So this is the circuit on the panel which the connection is from the supply to the meter next to the protection and the inductor. So we first of all we set to 1.2 Henry. When we turn on the supply to 400 and turn on the protection and the data we will record to the table. So the data for all the value of inductors that we need to do, and we check the answer and it's right. Thank you. We will do the balance capacitive load for the star configuration. So the connection is like is shown like this for the capacitive load, and we will do it the circuit to the trainer. So from the supply we connect to the meter again and protection next to the conductors. So when we did the instruction, we need to do for 2 micro, 4 micro and 8 microfarad. Then the variables 3-phase power supply, we will set it to 230. When we turn on the power supply, we check the meter and turn on also the protection. Next, after all the experiment that we need, which is 2 micro, 4 micro and 8 micro, we will record the data into the table. So the data is shown in the table and we check the answer